Once you've downloaded and installed PicoLog 6, simply open the application to begin. Once open, you'll be prompted to plug in your TC-08. Connect your device. It will appear in the Device Manager screen. Now configure the TC-08 channel. Changing the channel name makes it easier to associate with a location or test point. Next, set the sample rate and finally click Add Channel. That's it, your first temperature acquisition is configured. Now you are ready to collect. Recordings begin at the press of a button. Data can be viewed by switching to the graph view. We can also view our data as a table. Click Configure Data Table to set up your table. Select your options and click Save. It's as simple as that. Connect, configure, collect, all in under 60 seconds. That will be it for today's demonstration. Thank you for watching.